Sa first year of life pa lang ng bata, ang dami na niyang natututuhang gawin. Smiling, sitting, crawling, standing, talking. All of these are developmental milestones in infancy. But when do babies achieve them? This video will make it easy for you to remember. So get your paper and pen and get ready. Let's start with a 1-month-old. A 1-month-old keeps his hands fisted. Para matandaan, first make a fist. Put your fist about 1 foot in front of your face, then imagine the letters N and E beside your fist. This is how it should look. What word is spelled? It's 1. 1-month-olds keep their hands fisted. Another characteristic is that a 1-month-old follows objects to midline with his eyes. So, pag nilagay mo ang iyong finger sa harap ng mukha ng baby, nando sa gitna, makikita ba niya to? Yes. Pag nilagay mo dun sa side, susundan ba niya? No. So, 1-month-old, ilang direction ang nakikita niya? One direction lang. And that is midline. What about a 2-month-old? A 2-month-old holds his head up when prone. Para matandaan, magsulat ng number 2 sa inyong paper. Tapos, lagyan nyo ng ulo. And then, sa ilalim ng ulo, lagyan nyo ng arm. And then, i-drawing yung body. So, anong sinisignify nito? Kaya nang itaas ng baby ang kanyang ulo pag siya ay nakadapa. Yung drawing ninyo, hindi kayo satisfied kasi hindi kayo magaling mag-drawing, don't worry. Hindi naman importante na kailangan magaling mag-drawing para matandaan. Importante lang ay yung drawing ninyo ay nasisymbolize na kaya na ng bata na itaas ang ulo niya pag siya ay nakadapa. A 2-month-old also smiles socially. This means that he smiles in response to a human face. Kaya pag pinakita mo yung mukha mo sa kanya at nakangiti ka, ngingiti rin siya. O para matandaan, mag-drawing ka muna ng mukha pero wala mo ng bibig, ha? And then, i-drawing mo na yung bibig ng baby using a number 2. A 2-month-old makes cooing sounds. Sasabi siya ng coo, coo, coo. Nagra-rhyme ito with 2. So, ang mnemonic ninyo, coo-to. Parang kuto, di ba? Ano naman ang milestones at age 3 months? A 3-month-old holds his head and chest up when prone. Remember, yung sa 2-month-old, ano lang naho-hold niya? Yung kanyang head. Pero ito, pati chest na ay kasama. Para matandaan, ito ang inyong gawin. Mag-drawing muna ng number 3 na medyo nakaslant. Tapos yung upper part ng number 3, gawin mong ulo. Tapos mag-drawing ng likod ng baby. And then, maglagay ng kanyang arms. O diba, yung head and chest niya ay nakataas na. Para mas matandaan pa na 3-month-old yan, meron siyang bola na may number 3. A 3-month-old laughs. Okay, mag-drawing ng muka, pero wala pang ilong saka bibig. Tapos, i-drawing mo na yung ilong niya saka yung bibig na tumatawa using a number 3. Tapos, nagsasabi pa siya ng ha, ha, ha. Ilan yung ha? 3 yung ha. Kasi 3 months old siya. A 3-month-old regards his hands. So, parang noon lang niya napansin na may kamay pala siya. So, tingin siya ng tingin sa kanyang kamay. Okay, magsulat ng number 3. Maglagay ng ulo na medyo naka-side view sa upper part. Tapos, yung lower part ng number 3 ay kanyang arms and hands na tinitingnan niya. At age 3 months, the baby follows objects past midline with his eyes. So, nakakakita siya sa gitna. Para rin yung sa 1-month-old, di ba? Sees objects at midline. Pero hindi lang yon ang kanyang kayang gawin. Because the child sees objects to his right and to his left. So, ilang direksyon ang kanyang kayang makita? Midline, right, and left. So, 3 direksyon. Tapos, pag sa vertical plane naman, midline, up and down, 3 direksyon din. 3 months. Now, let's see how much you have learned. At what month will a baby show these developmental milestones? Your options are 1, 2, or 3 months. You may pause the video to give you time to answer. Number 1, smiles socially. This is achieved at 2 months. Number 2, regards hands. The correct answer is 3 months. Number 3, laughs. The answer is 3 months. Number 4, lifts head when prone. This is achieved at 2 months. Number 5, follows objects with eyes to midline. How many directions can be seen? This is one direction. So this is achieved at 1 month. Okay, tapos na tayo sa 1 to 3 months. Ngayon, tingnan naman natin ano ang nagagawa ng isang 4-month-old. A 4-month-old turns back to front. Para matandaan ito, gumawa ka ng number 4. Sulat mo sa notebook mo ang isang malaking number 4. Tapos, kompletuhin, gawing likod at harap. Kasi anong direction ang pag-turn ng isang 4-month-old? From back to front. Mula likod, papunta sa harap. What about a 5-month-old? Mas complex na nagagawa niya. A 5-month-old turns front to back and back to front. Para matandaan, isulat ang number 5 pero spelled out in a different way, F-A-Y-B. Tapos yung F ay ituloy para maging front at yung B ay ituloy para maging back. And then, lagyan ng arrow. From front to back. And then, from back to front. O, ang 6-month-old naman. At 6 months, the baby sits unsteadily. Para matandaan, tingnan niyo itong figure na to. Initially, yung number 6 ay naka-upright. Pero since rounded yung bottom niya, pwede siyang mag-tilt in any direction. Forward, backward, or even fall down. So, anong ginagawa ng 6-month-old para hindi siya babagsak? Mag-drawing muna ng number 6. Tapos, lagyan mo ng ulo. Tapos, sa may puwit niya, lagay mo yung kanyang paa. And then finally, lagyan mo ng arms, tapos yung kamay niya ay nakapatong na sa ground. This is how the 6-month-old prevents himself from falling downwards. Nakasupport yung kanyang kamay. A 6-month-old uses palmar grasp. This is already meaningful grasping. Hindi kagaya sa newborn na kahit na anong ilagay mo sa kanyang palm ay i-grasp niya. Ito, kung ano lang ang gusto niyang i-grasp, yun ang kanyang i-grasp. So when the baby sees an object and the baby wants to grasp it, what he would do is to put his hand over it and rake that object towards him. So yung buong kamay ang kanyang ginagamit. O para matandaan na palmar grasp is done at 6 months, tignan niyo yung drawing na to. Number 6, yung dinidescribe ng angle ng palm. A 6-month-old says vowel sounds. The most common of which is O-O. Para matandaan, gawin nating sexy ang pag-pronounce. O-O. Kaya na sinasabi yung ganyang sound. Pag nagse-sex, di ba? 6 months. O-O. Again, it's time to test how much you have retained. At what month will a baby show these developmental milestones? Your options are 4, 5, or 6 months. Number 1, turns back to front. Back to front, likod at harap, that is at 4 months. 2, sits unsteadily. The baby has to support himself with his hands. This is at 6 months. Number 3, uses palmar grasp. This is achieved at 6 months. Number 4, says vowel sounds. So the baby says, oh, oh. This is achieved at 6 months. And finally, turns front to back and then front again. The baby shows this behavior at 5 months. Ano naman kaya ang nagagawa ng 7-month-old? First, a 7-month-old reaches out to be picked up. Pag nakita niya yung nag-aalaga sa kanya, anong gagawin niya? Ililift niya yung arms niya para ini-indicate na, uy, kargahin mo ko. Noon ang nagagawa ng 7-month-old. First, draw a head, then a body, and the arms reaching upwards. Note that the angle between the arms and the body forms the number 7. At 7 months, the baby's first tooth erupts. At ano itong first tooth na to? Actually, teeth yan kasi dalawa. ito yung 2 lower central incisors. Tingnan niyo itong baby na to, di ba? Meron na siyang 2 ngipin at parang number 7. A 7-month-old is also able to transfer objects hand to hand. Look at this baby holding a doll. You can see that the angle between his arm and his body spells the number 7. At pag nilipat niya yung doll sa kabilang kamay, nagiging reverse 7 naman. A 7-month-old also starts to fear strangers. Bago mag 7 months, kahit na sino ang bumuhat sa kanya, okay lang sa kanya. Pero at 7 months, nangingilala na. Ayaw na niya magpabuhat dun sa mga hindi nakakilala. In fact, kahit lapitan mo lang yan, natatakot na kung hindi ka kilala. So to help you remember this, number 7, fear. What about an 8-month-old? An 8-month-old sits steadily without support. Hindi yan kagaya ng 6-month-old na umabagsak, unsteady, kailangan pang suportahan para hindi siya babagsak. Pero ang 8-month-old, kayang-kaya na niya. Okay, write the number 8. Tapos lagyan nyo lang ng muka, arms and legs. Tingnan nyo yung drawing. Di ba ang saya ng 8-month-old kasi kaya na nga niyang umupo without support eh. At 8 months, fear of strangers peaks. Malapitan lang siya konti ng isang stranger, iiyak na yan, natatakot na. To help you remember, see this drawing? Makikita mo yung kanyang mata, di ba? Number 8, malaki. Tapos yung kanyang tears ay mga number 8 din. Tingnan naman natin ang 9-month-old. A 9-month-old creeps or crawls. To help you remember this, mag-drawing lang ng number 9 na nakadapa. Tapos, lagyan lang ng legs and arms. Okay, yan yung 9-month-old na nag-creep o nag-crawl. A 9-month-old says his first word, which is usually dada. Hindi mama commonly ang nagiging first word, most likely because dada is easier to pronounce than mama. Tingnan nyo yung letter D dito sa dada. Di ba parang number 9 yan? So, yan ang tatandaan ninyo. Test uli. Ang options nyo ay 7, 8, or 9 months. Says Dada. This is observed at 9 months. Number 2, sits steadily without support. The correct answer is 8 months. Number 3, fear of strangers starts. This is seen in 7-month-old babies. Number 4, creeps or crawls. The correct answer is 9 months. And finally, transfers objects from hand to hand. 7 months old ang nakakagawa niyan. Transfers objects. Ano naman kaya nagagawa ng 10-month-old? 10-month-old is able to pull self to standing. So, ibig sabihin, nakakatayo na siya from a sitting position, pero kailangan may hahawakan siya para mahila niya ang kanyang sarili. Ang mnemonic dito ay 2 words, pull, tayo. Tingnan ninyo yung last letter sa pull, parang number 1, at yung last letter sa tayo ay parang 0. So, 1 and 0 is 10 months. A 10-month-old also uses pincer grasp. Pag sinabing pincer grasp, ang ginagamit niya para makagrasp ay yung thumb at yung forefinger, which is a more refined skill compared to palmar grasp. Gayahin nyo itong drawing na to para makapag-pincer grasp kayo. Ano ang dinidescribe na number ng extended na finger sa taas? It's number 1. At anong dinidescribe ng thumb at forefinger? It is a 0. 1 and 0 equals 10. Alright, what about an 11-month-old? An 11-month-old cruises or walks with support. Saan ba nanggagaling yung kanyang support? Pwedeng support coming from a person o nakahawak siya sa furniture o sa wall habang siya ay naglalakad. Dito sa drawing na to, nakahawak siya sa isang tao at siya ay naglalakad kasabay nung tao na yon. Alright, 12 months old na o 1-year-old na itong baby. Nagse-celebrate siya ng kanyang birthday. Ano kaya ang mga developmental milestones at 12 months? A 12-month-old stands alone. Kung dati kailangan may nakahawak sa kanya, ngayon hindi na. Kaya na niya. Mag-isa lang siya. 1-year-old or 12 months. A 12-month-old also holds cup and spoon well. Para matandaan, magsulat ng number 12, maglagay ka lang ng space in between sa 1 and 2. Tapos yung number 1 ay gawin mong kutsara at yung number 2 ay gawin mong handle ng cup. Kaya na niyang gumamit ng kutsara at cup. A 12-month-old says 2 words aside from mama and dada. Diba, nung 9-month-old siya, ang kaya lang niya ay dada. Ngayon, 3 months later, kaya na niya ang mama, dada, plus 2 more words. Again, write the number 12, leaving a space between 1 and 2. Tapos, kompletuhin mo na yung mnemonic, mama, dada, plus 2. O, test uli Ang options nyo ay 10, 11, or 12 months. Number 1, use the pincer grasp. The answer is 10 months. Number 2, cruises, or that is walks with support. This is achieved at 11 months. Pull self to stand. Pull tapos tayo, that is 10 months. Number 4, stands alone. This can be done at 1 year or 12 months. And last item, holds cup and spoon well. Kaya yan at 12 months. O halo-halo na, from 1 to 12 months ang options nyo. But before the final post test, i-click nyo muna yung subscribe button para ma-notify kayo pag mayroong mga bagong videos kasi may mga susunod na videos sa developmental milestones and other topics in nursing. Thank you very much. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa final na post test. Number 1, coos or makes a cooing sound. Diba ang mnemonic yan? Coo-2. So, 2 months. Number 2, first tooth erupts. 7 months yan. Number 3, keeps hands fisted. Observation niya sa isang 1-month-old. Number 4, peak of fear of strangers. This is seen in an 8-month-old. The last item, follows objects past midline. Pwede siyang tumingin sa midline. Pwede rin sa kanyang right. At pwede rin sa kanyang left side. So this is achieved at 3 months.